guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetShoes.com, and today right now we are here at Mobile World Congress 2015 in Shanghai, and we are right now in front of the ZTE booth, and we have the ZTE Nubia Z9 here, which is supposed to have an edge-less display, I would say. So let's take a deeper look over that. So here we have the ZTE Nubia Z9. As you can see, this is the configuration of this device. But again, the configuration is not that much important. The thing which is important is the design. As you can see, this device has an edge-less display, at least from the look and feel of it. You do have a metal edge over there which you can see, which looks nice, and again it feels very strong when you hold it in hand. But if you take a look from the front, you can see that you do not see any bezel. So there is no bezel on the edges which you can notice or which you can see. And this makes this phone very unique. As you can see, there is no bezel on both the edges, which you can see, and it has a curved display over there, which is not that kind of curve which you have seen on Samsung Galaxy S6, but it is looking nice and feels very good. And it does have the curve over there at the back side as well on the glass, which is also looking nice. So this is how things are actually on this phone, and definitely in terms of design it is very much different. We have also seen one more phone from Oppo which is exactly like this in terms of the overall design, and that one also does not have any bezel.
Yes.
So this is all we have. I would like to, this is all I have to show you basically in this video. The edge-less display, which is looking pretty impressive. Whether I can actually touch the screen from the edges as well. I can control things from the edges, which is very nice. And I can launch the camera. Let me just try to control the camera from the edges. If I can do that, I will just try for it. So many camera applications, which one to launch. Okay. So it does have the option to control the things from the edge, especially when you are at the home screen. You can actually go across items from the edge. So I'm just swiping it on the edge and it works. So it doesn't work exactly at the edge point, but the moment you move your finger like this, it feels so natural, it feels so good because of the rounded corners, which again feel very nice when you hold the phone in hand and use it with one hand. So that's all from us. In case you want to know the specification, it has Qualcomm 810, Cortex A57, 1.5 GHz Cortex A53 as well, octa-core CPU, and we have 8.9mm, which is the thickness. So thickness wise it is pretty slim, not at all thick. It looks nice as well. Apart from that, we have 2900 mAh battery, 192 grams is the weight. Because of the metal rim which we have on the edges, the weight is slightly more. And then we have 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal memory, and this phone is definitely coming to India for a price of approximately 40,000 rupees, which is going to be very premium price point for this one. So let's see at what point of time it comes to India. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off.